This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dean Baumgartner. 2-acre lakefront 4-bed 3-bath pool home with detached oversized 2-car garage. Bring your horses out to the 2-stall barn with workshop and amp, tack room, room for golf cart or side-by-side. The property is completely fenced and amp, cross-fenced with 2 paddocks. New impact French doors lead to long covered patio with hot tub. Kitchen features solid wood cabinets with dovetail drawers and amp, pull-outs, solid surface counters, newer stainless steel appliances and amp, electric window shades. Anderson impact glass windows. Special features included vaulted ceilings, wood floors, tongue-in amp, groove ceiling and amp, wood-burning fireplace. Master bathroom recently renovated with new slipper tub and amp, frameless shower enclosure. New built-in closet. Custom home on stem wall with 6 inches walls. Bring your boat and amp, RV. New roof in 2019. For more information, review the details below or contact Dean Baumgartner at 772-692-8895.